Jury begins deliberations at Kyle Rittenhouse murder trial. Hello, I'm Miguel. Today, I bring you incredible information about the case of Kyle Rittenhouse, but before I ask you to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss any news, let's go to the video. Kenosha, Wisconsin, Associated Press. On Tuesday, the jury began considering Kyle Rittenhouse's murder trial, and after hearing portraits of his duel, he portrayed him as a troublesome soldier who wanted to be, or a citizen who was attacked while trying to protect his property. Judge Bruce Schroeder allowed Rittenhouse himself to draw a numbered note from the lottery drum in an unusual move that determined the 18 people who participated in the trial during the trial. Which of the judgments will determine your fate and who will be fired as replacement candidates? This task is usually performed by the court clerk, not the defendant. Rittenhouse, 18, will face life in prison, convicted of using an AR semiautomatic rifle to kill 2 men and injure a third of them during a protest against racial injustice in Kenosha in the summer of 2020. White and shot those people. The jury appears to be overwhelmingly white. Rittenhouse testified that he took self-defense measures after being attacked, while the prosecutor argued that he incited bloodshed. This case became the spark of debate over guns, protest, surveillance, and law and order in the United States. As the verdict approaches, Governor Tony Evers has stated that 500 members of the National Guard will be ready to deploy in Kenosha at any time, if necessary. In Monday's closing statement, Prosecutor Thomas Binger argued that Rittenhouse participated in the protest with a semi-automatic rifle and threatened others, and then came out as a hero of the West, which triggered a series of fatal incidents. But Rittenhouse's lawyer, Mark Richards, countered that Rittenhouse was ambushed by a lunatic, and feared he would take his gun and use it to kill him. At the time, 17-year-old Rittenhouse came to Kenosha from his home in Antioch, Illinois, which he said was protecting his property a few days after Black Jacob Black was shot and killed by a white Kenosha police officer. Protection from rioters. Binger said Rittenhouse was looking for trouble that night. He repeatedly showed videos of drones to the jury and said Rittenhouse used his gun to aim at protesters. This is a provocation. It is the beginning of this incident, declared the prosecutor. He added, when you are a person with a gun, when you are a dangerous person, and when you are a person who provokes others, you lose your right to self-defense. Rittenhouse shot and killed 36-year-old Joseph Rosenbaum and 26-year-old Anthony Huber, and injured 28-year-old Geki Grosskreutz. While defending his self-defense on the witness stand, Rittenhouse said Rosenbaum chased him and stole his rifle. The video and some of the prosecution's own witnesses have amply confirmed that statement. As for Huber, after seeing him hit the Rittenhouse with a skateboard in the video, he was shot. Grosskreutz admitted that when he was shot, he pointed the gun at Rittenhouse. In his instructions to the jury, Schroeder said that in order to accept Rittenhouse's self-defense claim, jurors must determine that he believes he was illegally threatened and that the force he used is reasonable and necessary. Well, that was the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time.